Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Anne's Public School, Bagpat online economics classes. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear students, today we will discuss again chapter number 3, theory of demand. As you know that in my previous video we have discussed substitute goods with the help of schedule and diagram. And what is the meaning of substitute goods? Substitute goods refer to those goods. Substitute goods refers to those goods which can be used in place of one another and provide the same level of satisfaction. For example, tea and coffee, or you can say example like Coke and Pepsi. But today we are going to discuss complementary goods. Means complementary goods refer to those goods which are used together. This line is most important. Which are used together to satisfy a particular want. For example, car and petrol, tea and sugar, etc. So I hope this definition is clear. See next, there exists an inverse relationship, inverse or negative relationship between price of complementary good, price of complementary good and demand of given good. See, means how will you classify? Means how will you classify price of complementary good and how will you classify demand of given good? See, आपको कैसे पता लगेगा कि कौन सी गुड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गुड है और कौन सी गुड गिवन गुड है? तो मैंने आपको हमेशा बताया जिस गुड के साथ आप डिमांड पुट करोगे, मीन्स जिस गुड की आप डिमांड करोगे वो आपके लिए कौन सी गुड होगी बेटा? गिवन गुड. See here, now suppose I'm taking a price of petrol, and here car demand. Suppose means now you are taking, you can say I am taking here price of petrol and car demand. So petrol is a complementary good. Petrol is complementary good and car is given good because I am taking here demand of car. I am taking here demand of car means this is given good and price of petrol means complementary good. Means जिस गुड के साथ आप डिमांड लोगे वो आपके लिए कौन सी गुड होगी बेटा? गिवन गुड. और जिस गुड के साथ आप प्राइस लोगे वो आपके लिए कौन सी गुड होगी? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गुड. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. सपोज price increases. Now running cost of car will increase. Suppose price of petrol increases, running cost of car will increase. That's why car demand decreases. So we can say demand of car will decrease. Now after this, price of petrol decreases. Price of petrol decreases means running cost of car will decrease means you will increase demand of car. It means अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, अगर पेट्रोल का प्राइस इंक्रीज करेगा बेटा तो कार को जो रन करने की जो कॉस्ट है, मीन्स कार को यूज करने की जो कॉस्ट है, कार को चलाने की जो कॉस्ट है वो इंक्रीज कर जाएगी. मीन्स कार रनिंग करना हमारे लिए एक्सपेंसिव हो जाएगा तो हम कार की डिमांड क्या कर देंगे? डिक्रीज कर देंगे. और अगर पेट्रोल का प्राइस डिक्रीज होगा, ठीक है, तो हमारे लिए कार की जो रनिंग कॉस्ट है वो क्या कर जाएगी? डिक्रीज कर जाएगी. तो हम कार की डिमांड क्या कर देंगे? इंक्रीज. इट मींस दैट देयर एग्जिस्ट्स an inverse or negative relationship. There exists an inverse or negative relationship between price of complementary good and demand of given good. Price of petrol means price of complementary good increases means demand for given commodity decreases and price of complementary good decreases, demand of given good increases. I hope all of you have understood relationship between means price of complementary good and demand of given commodity. I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this. See after this. A decrease in price of complementary good. Decrease in price of complementary good. Like petrol price. Petrol price. Petrol price means petrol is a complementary. A decrease in price of complementary good, then it leads to an increase, leads to an increase in the demand of given commodity. Demand of given commodity, or you can write here good, like car demand. And increase in the price of complementary good petrol price, then it leads to decrease in the demand of given commodity. Given commodity, like car demand. Car demand. So this is the explanation of, means actually explanation of relationship between price of complementary good and demand of given commodity. Means inverse relationship or negative relationship is here. So this is this explanation according to this relationship. See now after this we will show a schedule and diagram. See now petrol price in rupees, car demand in units. See, suppose initial price of petrol is rupee 50. Initial price of petrol is rupee 50, and at rupee 50 car demand suppose 2 unit. Car demand means demand of car means 2 units. Suppose petrol price increases from 50 to 100 rupees. Suppose petrol price increases from rupee 50 to rupee 100. See, price increases, then you know that there is inverse means inverse relationship between price of complementary good and demand of given quantity. So price increases, so demand of car will decrease according to relationship, because there is inverse relationship. See, now car demand will decrease. See, I hope all of you have understood how will you make table of कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गुड. सी अगर पेट्रोल का प्राइस इंक्रीज करेगा तो कार की डिमांड क्या करेगी, डिक्रीज. क्यों? क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर इनवर्स रिलेशन पढ़ रहे हैं कि अगर पेट्रोल मींस कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गुड का प्राइस इंक्रीज करेगा तो कार की मींस गिवन कमोडिटी की डिमांड क्या करेगी, डिक्रीज. अगर आप पेट्रोल का प्राइस डिक्रीज कर दें तो डिमांड ऑफ गिवन कमोडिटी क्या करती है, इंक्रीज. इट्स अप टू यू, आप इंक्रीज से भी दिखा सकते हो और डिक्रीज से भी. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. After this, you will show diagram of this schedule. This is the x-axis, this is the origin, and this is the y-axis. See, now petrol price is measured on the y-axis. Petrol price measured on the y-axis, and car demand measured on the x-axis. Always remember, मैंने आपको बताया बेटा कि जब भी इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होता है उसको आप कहाँ लोगे, वाई एक्सिस पर, और जो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होगा उसको आप हमेशा कहाँ लोगे, एक्स एक्सिस पर। तो आपको कभी डायग्राम बनाने में दिक्कत ही नहीं आएगी बेटा। ये रूल अगर आपको पता है तो कभी आपको डायग्राम में दिक्कत आएगी ही नहीं, ठीक है। सी कार डिमांड, मीन्स कैसे, डिमांड ऑफ कार इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन प्राइस ऑफ पेट्रोल। मीन्स कार की जो डिमांड अफेक्ट हो रही है वो किसकी वजह से हो रही है, पेट्रोल के प्राइस की वजह से। सो डिमांड ऑफ कार इज डिपेंडेंट एंड प्राइस ऑफ पेट्रोल इज इंडिपेंडेंट। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, वी विल ऑलवेज टेक independent variable on the y-axis and dependent variable on the x-axis. I hope आपको ये clear है। See, I hope all of you have understood. See, now initial price is 50. Initial price is 50 at 50 rupee, and demand of car 2 units. 2 units, and price increases from 50 to 100. 50 to 100. Now car demand decreases, means from 2 to 1 unit. From 2 to 1 unit. Please join these corner. Now you will get downward demand curve, downward sloping demand curve, downward sloping demand curve. Why is it downward sloping? Because there exists an inverse relationship between both of these. Why is it downward sloping? Because an inverse relationship exists between both of these. So I hope, suppose positive relation is there, then demand curve will be upward sloping, and because now, but here inverse relationship, that's why demand curve is downward sloping. So I hope all of you have understood the meaning of complementary goods. Suppose question is there, explain the complementary goods with the help of schedule and diagram. First of all, you will write definition of complementary goods. Then after, you will write this type of explanation. Then after, you will show this type of schedule, and then after you will show this type of diagram. I hope all of you have understood, and means your explanation will be completed and you will get full marks in your exam. So I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this. Now after this, next good means normal goods. Normal goods. Normal goods means good quality goods. Normal goods means good quality goods. See, normal goods refer to those goods whose demand increase with an increase in income, of the consumer. See, there exists a positive or direct relationship between demand for normal good and income of the consumer. So I hope all of you have understood. Normal goods refer to those goods whose demand increase with an increase in income of the consumer. For example, you can write here, for example, like full cream milk, color TV, etc. Full cream milk, color TV, etc. There exists a positive or direct relationship between demand for normal good and income of the consumer. Please try to understand with the help of this practical way. See, suppose this is income, and this is demand of normal good. Normal good means good quality. Good quality goods. See, good quality. Normal good means good quality. See, now suppose income increases, then demand of good quality good, then good quality good. In demand of good quality good will increase. Means अगर आपकी इनकम इंक्रीज करेगी तो आप मीन्स जो गुड क्वालिटी गुड है उनको ज्यादा प्रीफर करोगे, क्यों? क्योंकि आपकी इनकम इंक्रीज करेगी तो आप गुड क्वालिटी गुड को क्या करोगे, ज्यादा प्रीफर करोगे, और बैड क्वालिटी गुड को आप क्या करोगे, कम प्रीफर करोगे। क्यों? क्योंकि आपकी इनकम इंक्रीज कर गई तो आप डिमांड ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी गुड को क्या कर दोगे, इंक्रीज। सो वी कैन से लाइक दिस, income increases, then demand of normal good also increases. means जो नॉर्मल गुड की डिमांड है कंज्यूमर क्या कर देगा, इंक्रीज कर देगा। क्यों? क्योंकि वो गुड क्वालिटी गुड है और उसकी इनकम क्या कर गई है, इंक्रीज। सपोज वी कैन से लाइक दिस, income increases, so you can say income increases, or you can say consumer income increases. You can say income of the consumer increases. See here, income